Want to update your Facebook password on Android? In this quick guide, I'll show you the exact steps to change it under a minute. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your device and tap the menu or three lines in the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Now tap Settings. After that, tap Accounts Center at the top. Next, select Password and Security. Now tap Change Password. Select your Facebook account if you have multiple profiles or accounts. After that, enter your current password. Then enter and confirm your new password. Finally, tap Change Password to save. And that's it. If this helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android and social media tips. Thanks for watching.